Welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. This is Habiba with a beauty bakery unboxing. But first, can I give you a little mini story? You guys know I love my dessert. I've always loved to host a little tea party, especially before the pandemic. I've always loved pretty girly things, flowers. We always eat a lot of ethnic food on this channel and dessert, even though I need to take it easy sometimes. Pretty American with our carbs and our protein. I also have always loved makeup and have worn makeup since I was young. However, over the last few years, I had some issues, not just with my stomach, and it turned out that I had some gluten intolerance, but I was also having some issues with my eyes. Okay, so I changed my diet after a colonoscopy and was eating mostly fruits and vegetables. I even changed what kind of flour I was using and only using gluten-free. And I still made dessert with gluten-free flour, but my eyes were still an issue. I had cysts, they were always red and swollen and running, especially after I put makeup. It was so frustrating, especially when you're on YouTube or you work with the public, right? So I had to put on my doctor's coat and do some research. And voila, I realized the problem was I had overlooked my makeup. I had changed my diet, but I hadn't changed my makeup. So I threw out all my old makeup and I started using Bare Minerals because they're gluten-free. And voila, I'm looking better, feeling better, and I'm looking for more gluten-free makeup. So, in fact, I have a little unboxing I got, from Beauty Bakery. So here she is. Look at the box. Super cute, right? The letters in gold. Beauty Bakery. So I was referred to this company by my dear friend Nina, who was a college friend. We used to be in Cornell African Students Association, and I met her, while we were organizing fashion shows. So in college, we used to do this African fashion show, and it was a big hit. Lots of food, lots of people, lots of fashion. And anyway, I digress. I'm going to unbox this. I'm not going to wear it today. I'm just going to unbox this because I know everything in here is beautiful. Here she is. It's a beautiful box, and I've ordered a number of things. Yeah, so if you're finding you're having eye irritation, your skin, things like that, it's quite possible that you're allergic to gluten or intolerant to gluten, I should say. All right, so here we go. I'm so excited. Ooh, looky. It says on there, carbs. Who's counting? So anyone who doesn't know anything about Beauty Bakery, is their theme is all about food. So look at this beautiful card. Yeah, they have a list here of all their best sellers, and so cute. I don't know if I'm too close or too far away, but hopefully you can see that. This is what it looks like on the inside. Some pretty pink tissue. Let's open it up. And again, this is my first time trying this brand. I'll be honest, I did a lot of research before I ordered. I ordered online, and I heard that there were some kind of pros, cons, or a lot of people had sort of mixed reviews about their foundation. So I actually did not buy any foundation. Oh, this is gonna make a little mess, but it's a pretty mess. Yeah, so I didn't buy any foundation because I heard there were some issues with blending, and I can understand when you have a healthy vegan or gluten-free type of makeup, the consistency might be a little different than your typical drugstore makeup because they're avoiding all the artificial ingredients. So that's going to make the, consistency different or the application different. But anyway, since I do have foundation from Bare Minerals, I decided just to do some of their other products. So I'm hoping this is going to turn out really well. All right, this is a popular one. Look at this. It looks like a bag of flour. And if you're a sucker for packaging like I am, then you're going to like this. So this looks like flour, and this is actually powder. Yeah, so it's called flour. Better, not better. What? Better, not bitter. Better, not bitter. Beauty Bakerie. Yeah, this is basically setting powder. And let me go ahead and open it. You know your girl can talk. So let's do this quickly so that I don't keep you here too long. But yeah, you'll see the powder for baking or setting powder is so pretty. Look, oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love the gold top. So yeah, it says on there flour, but it's basically setting powder. Or as a lot of these influencers like to say, isn't that stunning? It is so stunning. It really is. All that gold, and they definitely put a lot of attention to the packaging. So I hope it works out well. So I also got this as one of their popular items. This is the lollipop, and it's actually eyeliner. Eyeliner. Like I said before, I'm a sucker for packaging, nice packaging, so I really appreciate this. And I got it in black. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, basically a nice gold applicator, gold or bronze, something like that. So this is a liquid eyeliner, and if you've been watching me for a while, you always see that I wear a liquid eyeliner on my top lid. Even if I don't wear eyeliner in my lower lid, I always wear liquid eyeliner on the top lid for that cat eye look. And this is a very nice fine tip. It goes on well. Okay, what else did we get? We got, this is called Cake Pop. Cake Pop. Oh my goodness. Glam Jam. So I think this is a lipstick. I don't remember entirely, but I think this is a lipstick. Or maybe a lip gloss. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's got like cake pops on the picture. You see that? And oh, it's a lipstick. It's a lipstick. So the packaging is actually quite different. You know, usually you're used to like some sort of hard plastic, but the outside is actually made of a cardboard type material. So I found that rather fascinating, but it still has a lot of hold, a lot of structure, and is quite beautiful and durable. I also like the fact that the diameter of the lipstick, as you can see, is a little bit more narrow compared to most, which makes it more precise when you're applying it. So I like that. The next thing I got from Beauty Bakerie was this gloss. This is the Gloss Brilliant. And as you can see, the packaging is beautiful. This sort of lattice, gold lattice on turquoise paper or cardboard packaging. And yes, she's so pretty. Look at all the gold trimming. And look at the applicator. So yeah, you can find these glosses in different shades, different tones. Some of them actually look like a really dark lipstick. Just depends what you prefer. You should definitely check out their website, definitely. And like I stated earlier, this is not sponsored. This is my opinion. The next thing I got were these sugar cookie palettes, okay? Can you imagine? I couldn't pass on a palette called sugar cookies. So I wanted something that I thought would be like an everyday type of palette. But as you can see, these colors are vivid. They're so much fun. I can't wait to wear them. Look at it. Just look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that the pigment is so rich. You know, it's going to look so good on our brown skin. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this. So you guys have to look out for a makeup tutorial soon. And then the next thing I got, which is so cute, is this bakeware set. Basically, it looks like kitchen utensils, but it's actually brushes. I know my grandfather used to say, when dog have money, and go buy gold teeth. Basically, when you have money to waste. But I couldn't pass on it. It's so cute. You guys know I love to cook and bake. So brushes that incorporate all of that, I had to get it. Anyway, overall, I love the packaging. They did an absolutely amazing job with that. And I hope that the makeup stands up to what I have seen so far. I can't wait to try this on. Let me know what you thought of this unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!